It's been raining for an hour and a half. It started at 3 p.m. and the birds are loving it. The birds are loving the water around the mango trees. There's at least 20 mango trees there, and back in the back corner another 7 or 8 different varieties. Those two there are, the big ones are lime trees with some kind of Chinese apple tree in between they put. These are lemon trees, these 3 here. And then that tree on the right, he calls a money tree. And then not sure what these are over here, but they're just, they don't provide fruit. And there's one banana doing well over there, the fence, right there. So I'm trying to stay over here and stay dry. And the water is standing all the way to the back. And then you see beyond is the big rice field that the birds are really coming in. Roy works hard on decorations here. So, from the mango farm, you will say, brother.